Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related, and I am here to teach you guys how to get glowing, flawless skin. If you're new to my channel, subscribe below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video, and join my skincare loving, flawless, glowing family. Let's get started. You guys, so today's video is a little different. I know I'm like obsessed with luxury skincare. We all know this. But it's a DIY. So I bought dragon fruit for the first time, and I always see it in like DIY skincare masks. And I thought this was really neat because when I Googled DIY dragon fruit masks, Huda Beauty came up where she has this whole recipe on what to make. So she's calling it the ultimate dragon fruit face mask. Let me read you what she wrote, and we're gonna do it today on this video. This super nourishing mask includes honey, got it, which is nourishing and has antibacterial properties, which I agree with. I love just putting raw honey on my face and just letting it soak in. It honestly helps with acne, like I'm not even kidding. The next ingredient is olive oil, got it, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. So, okay, just hope that doesn't like clog my pores, but we're gonna try it. For extra hydration. And then just mix the puree of half a dragon fruit with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin oil and 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply the mix to cleansed skin and wash it off 15 minutes later with warm water. You guys, my face is cleansed. I do not have, I'm not able to puree the dragon fruit, so I'm gonna just mash it all together. The only thing I'm a little concerned about, and I'm sure she said puree, is because this dragon fruit does have a bunch of little black seeds that may act as like an exfoliant. I just don't wanna like cause micro tears in my skin. So I'm just gonna be super gentle with this because I am aware I don't have I'm not pureeing it or purifying it or whatever the word is. I'm just gonna take this little teaspoon and I'm just gonna mash, we're just gonna mash all this dragon fruit together. Okay, you guys, so I have the dragon fruit all mashed in here. You guys, I wanna say there's like white dragon fruit and red dragon fruit. I have the red dragon fruit because that's all my grocery store had. And I'm just a little concerned this is gonna stain my skin. So let's just pray that it doesn't. So next I'm gonna go in with a tablespoon of the olive oil, which is totally fine with me. Oh, please don't clog my skin. They want us to do 2 tablespoons of honey. And hopefully, you wanna know what? Huda Beauty makes really cool DIY videos. Like I think she made one with toothpaste, although I don't recommend it. Like for some reason I watched the whole thing though, but she did one with toothpaste and a toothbrush to remove acne off of her nose. Seems kind of abrasive, but I just remember her doing that and like the video just getting like tons of views, and I was like, okay girl, don't hurt them though. Okay, so now I have the rest of the ingredients applied. I'm just gonna mix them together and we're gonna get ready for application. Okay you guys, the mixture is complete. It is definitely like a little thick, but a little soupy from I'm calling it soupy. It's a little soupy from the olive oil. I'm gonna take this and let's just apply it, and we're gonna keep it on my face for 15 minutes. So please don't stain my skin. Oh, are you ready? Are you ready for it? So the mask is on. It's a little thin. Oh God, oh God, oh God. It's a little thin, so I just added more honey. I don't think you could have too much honey, but you guys, this has been very messy for me. I don't know if it's the oil that's in it, but this is, look at it hanging from my nose. So they also say it's like anti-aging, so I'm like putting it right around my eyes. Get those crow's feet. Dragon fruit. You guys, my dragon fruit was expensive. It was $10 for 1 dragon fruit. Apparently they're really expensive to import, so they're just more expensive, which was like annoying. Oh my God. Because I was like, yes, finally I'm gonna bring affordability to my channel, and then that. Not even a damn fruit I buy is affordable. Okay, Miss Huda. So what I'm gonna do now is I am gonna time this to stay on my face for 15 minutes per Miss Huda Beauty herself. Let's get it poppin'. Okay, so you guys, this mask looks like very like Halloweenish, like I'm kind of living. But it is, I think it's from the oil, because if you guys can see, the oil is kind of like separating the product here. I don't really understand it, but I mean, she insists that it's anti-aging and has a ton of antibacterial properties, just like the honey. Guys, don't wear anything nice when you do this mask. Maybe it's just because I have like red and it's getting on my clothes. I just hope it doesn't stain. Let's talk about dragon fruit and why it's beneficial for your skin. Okay, so right on the Huda Beauty website, this is what she states. So it states, dragon fruit is amazing for acne-prone skin, and when applied topically, the high vitamin C content helps to reduce redness, inflammation by boosting your skin's blood flow. Oh, wow, okay. Because it's an amazing source of vitamin B6, eating dragon fruit will help regulate your hormone levels, thereby minimizing breakouts. Wow, okay, so dragon fruit is no joke, and I was eating the dragon fruit while I was like mixing it, so I'm gonna keep this extra and maybe do this mask more now that she says that. What is the side effect of dragon fruit? Overall, dragon fruit appears to be safe. However, people may develop an allergic reaction in some rare cases. That will be my luck. With my fibromyalgia sensitivity, I will break out. Please God, no. So it does state additional facts about it, that it could soothe sunburned skin, helps reduce acne, which we just learned, you know, makes the skin glow. Hold up, that's Morgan. Whoa, vitamin C in dragon fruit may help protect against dullness and leave your skin look fresh and rejuvenated. Okay, you guys, let the powers that be. I better look rejuvenated after this. I don't think they recommend red dragon fruit. I mean, they're all showing white dragon fruit. So I'm just a little concerned my face is gonna turn red. Other than that, my face should look totally rejuvenated and great. So I'm gonna be back once this 15 minutes is up. I'm gonna give you guys just like an update on what the heck is going on with my skin, and then I'm gonna go rinse it off and we'll close the video. Okay, you guys, I have 2 minutes left and I'm honestly stressing out over this staining my face. You guys, okay. I'm editing this video right now and my eyebrows were literally dyed pink. I just want to say, while this is closing up, the mask stopped running. So that was good, because did you guys see how it was like running into my eyes and stuff? I was like, this is dangerous. But actually over time, I don't even want to touch it because it's very sticky. It doesn't dry up, but it definitely molds like together and stays in place. So I think that's really good. I haven't felt anything other than I think this mask looks crazy. I look like I belong in a horror movie, like I'm coming out in the middle of the dark in the woods like a crazy lady, and I'm just kind of like, where's the lame? I'm nuts. Okay, you guys, I am back. I just washed the mask off. Thank you, God. It did not stain my face whatsoever. I do want to say, it was very easy to rinse off. I had no problem. Even the little like seeds that I was concerned about for exfoliation, they were not hard to remove at all. And they weren't very like hard seeds. They were very like bouncy and delicate. So I really don't have concerns with people getting micro tears from this mask if you were to have the seeds in it, because they were very, very gentle on my face. Removing honey off of your face is always surprisingly easy. When you use honey, it's so sticky and thick and you feel like, oh no, like how am I gonna get this off? It comes right off. Like honey is great in masks. I love it. As far as the extra virgin olive oil goes, well, let's take a look. Let's touch my skin, because I don't have much to say about that ingredient. First off, I just want to let you guys know my skin is very hydrated. It gave me a nice glow. Like my face is not dry whatsoever. It is very delicately moisturized. Like I could feel it right in my skin. So that's a plus for this mask. I say, this is what I think. I think it definitely brightened up my face. Like the antioxidants and the vitamin C definitely seem to have had like a minor effect on my skin, like instantly, where I feel like my face is like brighter and more awake looking. What I wanna say is, maybe if you don't use extra virgin olive oil, you might like it. I'm just worried about this for oily skin types. I know I always talk about like combating oils with oils on my channel. I just don't know if that applies to this. I think if you just mix the honey with the dragon fruit and really just get a nice mixture going, I think that could really create a beautiful mask. So also, I mean, if you have very dry skin and you're, cracking and you crave oil, put this in. Why not? I didn't have a problem with any three of these ingredients. I definitely think it did something to my skin. My skin definitely feels nice. So that is what I have to say. Bottom line, I'm very smooth, I'm very hydrated, and I'm glowing, and I feel more awake after using this DIY mask. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, Huda Beauty, for putting this into your vlog. This was very fun, and it was definitely very different because you don't really do things with dragon fruit every single day. And the good news is if you do come across red dragon fruit, you could use it on your face and it's not gonna stain. So there, we learned something new every single day. You guys, again, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you guys as subscribers. It would mean so much to me. Also, comment on this video. Let me know what DIYs are your favorites to do, and maybe I could do them. Or if there's a specific DIY you want me to test for you, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't done so, also follow me on Instagram where you can watch me do updated skincare routines and fashion. Follow me on the Like to Know It app where you can actually shop the skincare products that I use as well as the outfits that I wear. Everybody, thanks so much for tuning in, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video so we could stay connected. I respond to all comments and I absolutely love talking to you guys. Have a great day. Love you. Bye.